To fix DaVinci Resolve not opening or getting stuck on the loading screen. Are you tired of waiting forever just to start your project? This usually happens because of corrupted cache files, outdated GPU drivers, or software conflicts that block Resolve from launching properly. Most solutions online are confusing, involve tons of steps, or require advanced settings that slow you down. But today on Rexish, I'll show you a simple trick that clears the cache and resets the software, so it opens instantly every time. Just follow this one easy step, and you can get back to editing without frustration. If you want a full step-by-step guide, comment below, and I'll make a detailed tutorial just for you.